What is a robot? In the 3rd century BC, it was a flash of inspiration in the human mind. 100 years ago, the inspiration became clear gradually. 50 years ago, the inspiration began to help human development in action. Today, it has entered an era of wisdom with us. While the tide of Industry 4.0, which shall start from European, spread around the world, the new round of scientific revolution will have given this era unprecedented wisdom color. Robot technology, while changing the world, brings us more possibilities for the future.
Hey, little mama with that tight dress on, I got a small proposition for you. Hey, all my niggas do the gangsta walk. All my niggas do the gangsta walk. Hey, all my bitches do the gangsta walk. Let me see.
Use robots to free hands. Let the robot become the extension of human body and brain. So we've revolutionized the interactive mode between people and robots to make the robots become simple, easy to use, safe and reliable. JAKA own the wisdom gene and keep pace with the times together with this gene. This era of wisdom brings us unlimited possibilities, and we, in the exploration of infinite possibilities, apply this value to production and life, and let the motive wisdom drive us forward, and thus we can stand on a higher dimension and turn more dreams into reality. In the era of wireless interconnection, we break through the constraints of space and control freely. We break the boundaries of distance and control every second. We change as a place to satisfy every need of you. For us, safety is paramount and no injury is allowed. We are never critical of the environment. At the same time, with an open ecosystem, we can switch and work at any time in compatibility. Smart joints bring great energy. From customization to installation and delivery, our cooperation has just begun. And we will be with you all the time. All this is just to bring you higher value returns. We continue to evolve and produce more value. Along the way with the time, we have accelerated the upgrading and transformation of many industries, and also participated in and witnessed the growing strength of many partners. When the robots continue to come into the life, the energy of wisdom enables us to see the future coming closer and closer. The extraordinary color of human-machine life is lit up in an instant. We believe that robots are active beings in human journey. They free our hands. They will also emancipate our thoughts and horizons and lead us to the infinite space-time of the future. Just always keep amazing. JAKA